Welcome to my channel, Sewing with Bree. My name is Bree. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to make some lingerie. We're getting a little spicy in here. Just around the corner. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I think this is a good idea to put some thought in it, and you guys can do your own thing and do your own recreation and add some stuff if you want to and just have fun with it. Okay, so with this project, I didn't show me cutting the pattern or anything like that. I did that off camera just because I didn't know if you guys need to see that, but you guys can definitely use your own underwear at home, ladies. If you don't get a pair of underwear from anywhere, I don't know, borrow somebody's, I don't know, however you get this done. But yeah, so I feel like this project is gonna be fun, and let's just have fun with it. And let's just get right into it.
So here's everything that we're going to need to start making our bralette. I'm gonna have everything down in the description to help you guys. So definitely check the description, is where you're gonna find the supplies and the material and everything you need. And so here is what we're gonna be using for our underwear. So again, I'm going to leave everything, the materials and the supplies and everything in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do is attach our gusset, and our gusset is pretty much where our ladies parts go. So I'm going to take my serger and I'm going to attach it so it's connected. So you're going to make it easier. You can use your sewing machine. You don't need a serger to do this. I'm just doing it with my serger because it's easier. So you see, this is where your crotch part goes, your ladies bits goes. And you obviously do both sides so it's secure. And so this is how we're starting off. So we do this first. So now we're on to my favorite part, which is attaching the lace. And pretty much your underwear is going to be facing the outside. You're going to line it up to your underwear on the outside. And pretty much I did a zigzag stitch. You do a zigzag stitch to secure everything. And so we're going to sew that up. And just for reference, so you know that you're facing the outside is when you don't see the gusset. You shouldn't see that lining that we made for the gusset on the inside. That means you are sewing on the wrong side. When you reach the end to your first side, you just cut off the ends and then you go to the next side. Now we're just gonna attach our foldable elastic to our waist. So pretty much this is me doing that. So now we pretty much have our underwear. We are on the last component to what we need to do, the last step. So now you are just going to attach both sides to each other. I serged it and then took it to my sewing machine. But like I said, you don't need a serger. You don't need that. You could just zigzag stitch this up. I did it a couple times back and forth just to make sure it's secure. That's all you really need to do. And then you have your underwear. So now we're going to attach our foldable elastic to our bra. And so we're going to attach it to that first triangle on the top. How I'm doing it here. So now we are doing the other side, and pretty much you're going to leave a little extra on the top of your triangle to connect our O-rings when we make our bra strap. And so pretty much you're just going to sew that up. Remember to backstitch always. Remember when I told you guys to leave a little extra on the beginning of the triangle of the bra? And this is because we need to attach our O-rings. Here's me just attaching the bottom piece. So we're going to now attach both pieces together. And so they connect, and they're going to overlap each other. See, you can see right here, I'm overlapping, I'm connecting everything together. So now we're just going to attach our bra backs to the back of the bra. So here's me doing the first one, the hooks, and here's me doing the second one. Now we're going to attach the O-rings to the back of the bra. So here I'm just measuring out exactly where I want to place that back strap that goes in the back. I did about 6 centimeters, I believe, but I could double check. And I placed it right there. So you're going to place that one, and then the O-rings are going to go on the top. And you see I'm just going to place O-rings and then fold it over so we can attach it to the bra. See, like how I did here. I did the same measurements on both sides, by the way. And now I'm just sewing both top and bottom together on both sides. I'm going to sew that up real quick and show you guys that. So I'm going to try to explain this in a way that makes sense. So now we are attaching our straps. So pretty much the O-ring that we have in the back, we're going to loop our bra strap into that. So you're going to have two pieces. You're going to have one piece that's hanging on the other side, and then one piece that is going to go into your sliders. So you're going to take it into your sliders regularly, and then the second piece that's in the back, you're going to take it. See how I have it there? You're going to try to take it and put it on the inside of the slider. And so pretty much that's going to make it be adjustable, like I have here. So that second piece that we had that is hanging on the inside of the sliders, we are now going to attach it and close it. So that way it's actually making a strap, so it's not coming apart. So it's holding it together. So here I'm just sewing it up. So now we pretty much have our bra strap. We are going to connect the front, because so far we did the back of the bra strap. So now we're doing the front, and it's just connecting that O-ring in the front. So everything is closed and it can actually fit on your shoulders. And here's the finished result.